How to fix Xbox ACC driver is unavailable. Can't get the Xbox One wireless adapter to work? Below are some tips that may help fix Xbox ACC driver is unavailable. Can't get the Xbox One wireless adapter to work. 1. Check whether you have Xbox wireless adapter, for Windows, under the other devices in Device Manager installed. If not, note, you see Xbox ACC instead, download all the drivers via Microsoft Update Catalog manually, admin mode http://bit.ly/2d3scro. Decompress the .cab file using 7.zip or some other similar file archiver. Open Device Manager. Try locating Xbox ACC under other devices. Now update the device driver by choosing the Browse My Computer for Driver Software option instead. 2. To know how to set an Xbox One wireless controller properly, visit http://bit.ly/2h8uktb. How to connect an Xbox One wireless controller to a Windows PC, 4 step-by-step instructions. Note, you have 3 options to connect it: USB, wireless built-in, or via Bluetooth. 3. Try updating Microsoft Xbox One controller in Device Manager automatically. Plan B, for advanced play. Manually downloading the drivers using the hardware ID. FYI, unknown and uninstalled devices will be listed under Other. The device will have a yellow alert symbol on it. The properties for the device will show that no driver was found. Under the device properties, select the Details tab and scroll down to Hardware IDs. Each hardware ID is comprised of some very useful information. The VID value provides the vendor ID and the PID value provides the product ID of the device. Make a note of the PID value. Enter the PID value in the search box of Update Catalog. In cases where you have multiple device types listed, narrow down your search by also adding in the VID value. Once downloaded and extracted, you can point Device Manager to this driver to install the hardware. 4. Follow http://bit.ly/2m6xc6u to troubleshoot the Xbox wireless adapter for Windows. 5. Try updating your Xbox One controller on your Windows 10 PC, as admin, http://bit.ly/2frkj17. Last but not least, contact your own PC manufacturer and check the compatibility of the device and the Xbox wireless adapter.